Hi, my name is Vishal and I'm a senior trainer in multimedia education. I have 18 years of industry experience and let's get started with the video. Hello guys, welcome back. Let's have a look on this tool called Shape Mapper. So we have the Shape Mapper which is basically used to create some radial patterns. So what I am going to do here is I've got a polygon which is basically having 6 sides, so I can keep it into a 3-sided triangle and then connect this to the shape mapper and double click the shape mapper to see what's happening here. So if you could see right now we have a radial symmetry achieved and there is a slight distortion in the triangle also. So let me just go to the pattern count to minimum and then you should able to see there is a link segments with pattern amount. So pattern amount is 1 and then the segment what we have here is been linked to 1. So if I don't do that, that triangle has been added with some more segments to make it stay within the 2D texture size. Okay, if not, it was touching the boundaries and going away. Just it was keeping one triangle, no matter how outside it went, it's not really caring. So when I said it true, it actually broken that triangle and then it has kept into a polygonal shape. If I put it to the circular shape, so we have this circle and polygon. So polygon is like just a faceted or straight line shape, and then when we are choosing it to circle, it's becoming neat and round. As a pattern amount is 1, I could only see one triangle happening there. So when I put it to 2 triangle, that 2 triangles now are placed, and as you can see, it keeps on going like that. So if I generally keep this polygons off on, you are adding the number of segments. Let's say 6 segments are there. Okay, when we make it's not adding that segments there, and the geometry is going out of that. So it's something you can use to control the shape going outside. So that is radius here, and then we have a width. Okay, so you can increase and decrease the width of that and radius of that. So you can see width right now with the radius 0, and this radius is creating that gap here. You should able to see here I kept the radius width to thin and then increasing the radius, whereas I put the radius low and then increasing the width. It's not affecting the center gap here. You can also rotate this if you wanted them to rotate. Okay, so we have flip 1 on 2, and right now you're not able to see any difference. For that I'm going to take a unique shape. So let's take a shape node. Okay, just drag there, and then we have different types of shapes. Let me choose a disk and then control the size there. Okay, and then we will take another shape. This time we will take the okay, so it's basically a vertical rectangle. So these two nodes I'm going to blend. So I'm going to use the blend node. Okay, and then connecting this both of them, and then choose a blending mode of add, and then I just wanted this to be one side, not on the both sides. So I'm going to take a transform node and then just move it up, and then you should able to see the circle, and one side you got that. So it became a non-symmetrical shape. So I'm going to connect that to the shape here. So you should able to see this bulb what we have created has been, became a symmetry here. Now if I say flip 1 on 2, so you should able to see one is facing inside and another one is facing outside. And can we add more number of shapes here? Definitely yes, you can do that. And then see what whether you want one on every alternate object to be flipped opposite side. You can use this feature, and you can create fantastic radial symmetry objects using this shape mapper tool.